The BJP has today accused former IPS officer Sanjeev Bhatt of hoodwinking Supreme Court by presenting wrong and incomplete mails. Prakash Javadekar said that the cop made attempts to defame Narendra Modi. The comment came days after the Supreme Court rejected sacked Gujarat police officer Sanjeev Bhatt's petition to reopen Gujarat riots cases, saying he had not come with clean hands. The Supreme Court had rebuked Bhatt in sharp terms, saying that he had interacted with top rival political leaders of Gujarat despite being a senior police officer. The Congress, on the other hand, has called the court judgment very disappointing.
Fabricated evidences. He tried to influence 3 judges' bench through media card. He hacked the mail, misled Supreme Court by incomplete emails and by wrong mails. The KD Pant affidavit of Constable KD Pant was a classic example of this canard, where it was proved wrong and he was taken to the Congress regional headquarters, and the drill of his questioning before the Nanavati Commission was also conducted by pseudo-secularists and the gang, anti-Modi gang. And that is why today courts have very clearly said that Sanjeev Bhatt has misled, was wrong and was not present in the meeting. And that was the only basis of defaming Narendra Modi. They made loud claims of scam in coffin purchases. But now it is proved, and they boycotted George Fernandes on that. So it is not Congress today only boycotting Parliament. They boycotted George Fernandes. They had done their dry run there that time. And that time, coffin scam, they made a scam out of nothing, because courts today have given a verdict that there was no scam. It was a genuine purchase and no scam. So Congress conspiracies have fallen. पहले तो जिनके राज में 10 साल महंगाई एक दिन भी कम नहीं हुई किसी भी चीज की, उनको महंगाई पर कुछ पूछने का नैतिक अधिकार ही नहीं है। हमने महंगाई को काबू में रखा। और मुझे ये बताओ, कांग्रेस एक तर्क चलाए, जब तेल की कीमतें यहाँ पेट्रोल डीजल की कम करते हैं हम, तो वो कहते हैं ये तो आपका नहीं है, ये तो इंटरनेशनल मार्केट का है। तो एक तर्क कांग्रेस तय करे, लेकिन इसलिए ऐसे आरोप हम खारिज करते हैं। सरकार हर संभव कोशिश, क्योंकि हर चीज की कोई अगर कभी भी कीमतें थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे होती है तो उस पर ध्यान रखकर तुरंत एक्शन करते हैं। कांग्रेस जैसे 10 साल हम बैठे नहीं है।
Powered by NNIS.